Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm Justin with ExcelSmith, where our goal is to build better Excel users. In this episode of Quick Takes, we'll see how to properly use the VLOOKUP function. We use VLOOKUP when we need to return an unknown value that's in the same row as a known value. In this example, we know the name George and we want to return George's birthday. The first parameter of VLOOKUP is the value we know. We can either enter the value directly or enter a cell reference. For our example, we'll enter the cell reference F2. The next parameter is the range or group of cells that contain both our known value and our unknown value. The range must begin with the column containing our known value, extend far enough to the right to include the column containing our unknown value, and be tall enough to include the row containing our known value. For our example, we'll set the range to columns A through C. The third parameter tells VLOOKUP how far away the column containing our unknown value is from the column containing our known value. With VLOOKUP, we start counting from the known value. We can see that the birthday column is 3 columns to the right of first name, so we enter 3 as the third parameter. The last parameter tells VLOOKUP whether or not we are okay with it returning a value if no exact match is found for the lookup value. Setting this parameter to true gives VLOOKUP permission to return a value it thinks most closely matches the lookup value if no exact match is found. However, for this example, we'll set this parameter to false to ensure VLOOKUP returns an error if it doesn't find an exact match. Pressing enter, we get February 25th, 1943, the birthday corresponding to George. To recap, VLOOKUP scans down the first column of the range provided in the second parameter for the lookup value provided in the first parameter. VLOOKUP stops searching once it finds a match. The third parameter tells VLOOKUP which value from the identified row to return. Lastly, setting the fourth parameter to false ensures VLOOKUP returns a value only if it finds an exact match for the lookup value. For a more in-depth look at VLOOKUP, including its limitations, check out the Foundations video by clicking either the YouTube card or the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, ring that bell, and tell your friends. Thanks for watching!